Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bitdog token. Now I'm going to be uploading a video today about the very popular Bitcat token. That token I just did a video on the Bitcat token, and it said on Dex Screener that Bitcat had a 24-hour trading volume of like $172 million, and it just came out basically 6 hours ago. Now this token came out around 6 hours ago, probably shortly after the Bitcat token, and this token, the Bitdog token, has a 24-hour trading volume right now of $25.7 million. So although not as big as Bitcat, but still, I mean, $25 million in 6 hours is quite a big trading volume. This token's trending on Dex Screener right now in the Solana section. So we're going to go over the information on the Bitdog token for this video and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Bitdog, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Bit is obviously short for Bitcoin. If you go to Dex Screener or Dex Tools and you look up Bitcat or Bitdog, it'll usually say like the socials and the web page on these chart listing sites. So it says web page, Twitter, Telegram. Now Bitdog and Bitcat both have separate Telegrams and Twitters, but if you click on web page for either one of these tokens, it takes you to bitcoin.org, which is basically Bitcoin's webpage, right? So it's not specifically for this token. Now this token, Bitdog, is up 490% in the past 24 hours. It just came out 6 hours, 29 minutes ago. And this token was created on pump.fun. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump. Right now they have 654.6 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 51,598,000 pooled Bitdog tokens. Now, I'm not sure if Bitdog has got any central exchange listings yet, but Bitcat just got listed on LBANK, MEXC Global. If you don't have an MEXC Global account, check the referral codes in the description box. So yeah, the Bitdog token has a 24-hour trading volume of $25.8 million. They've had 62,850 transactions in the past 24 hours. Extremely popular token. It's green across the board. It's up in the past 5 minutes. It's up in the past hour, up in the past 6 hours, up in the past 24 hours. Now, they have a market cap of $2.7 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have $280,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price right now is 0.0025 USD. And they have a marketing boost button going on. It says marketing boost, and then they have the lightning bolt, and it says 50. So Bitdog is the hero we deserve, the hero we need, the goodest hero. Now it says there's already been a community takeover. So it says a community claimed ownership for this token on November 15th. It says original developer abandoned the project and then the community took over. So that happens a lot. So dev is out of the picture. Now it's all community. They have a Telegram you could follow at Bitdog on Sol. That has 141 subscribers. You could preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with their Twitter that I'm going to put right here in the corner of the screen. The Goodest Hero, it says, has a link to their Telegram. They just joined in November 2024, 85 followers at Bitdog on Solana on Twitter. Only 3 tweets so far. And yeah, Bitdog, the hero we deserve and the hero we need, the face of man and crypto's best friend. I mean, it's man's best friend and crypto's best friend, I guess. And so yeah, contract address is right there, so it's real easy to find that. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, a Trust wallet. Any one of these wallets would do. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC, and you could fund your Sol or fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and you could use any one of the central exchange links down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find right there on that Twitter. Now, you probably won't need to set slippage because I haven't seen anything about taxes. And you will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off Raydium. Now, this token may also become available on other decentralized exchanges like Jupiter, Meteora, or Orca. And right now, according to Dex Tools, they have 6,100 holders. And they have here a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and that is also their circulating supply. On Dex Screener, they have a quick audit. It says no freezable tokens and no mintable tokens, or no freezable contract, and no mintable tokens. And then they have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security on Dex Tools that says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But keep in mind, those are just quick audits. They're not full audits. They don't go over everything. And you should thoroughly do your own research before investing in anything. And let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about Bitdog? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.